Well, here we go with the bench I just made. You saw that. Cut the tenons on the ends of the pieces of limb. Everything is green, including this thick piece of alder here, and everything should dry evenly, including the, like I say, the limbs that I use. So hopefully no cracks. But we're going to make a table for this as well. Somebody asked me, where do you get your love for woodworking? Well, that would be my dad. He did a lot of woodworking projects when I was a kid, and it kind of stuck. In school they offered wood shop, and I loved it. Sorry about all the road noise. It is Sunday. But also my grandpa, he would visit us in Michigan. He would come from Washington on the Greyhound down to, or over to Michigan, and stay for anywhere from a month to 3 months. And we had a big garden, apple trees, cherry trees, taught us how to make pies. We also had an old shed. We got out the hammers and saws and took the wood off of the old building, took the nails, straightened them, taught us how to straighten nails with the hammer. And having fun as a kid, I loved it. So I thank my grandpa as well. But yeah, something simple and easy. Go out and try it.